Last property is the sum of the binomial coefficient is always equal to 2 raised to power n. Again, this thing I have explained. You can even verify from the Pascal triangle. Then comes the applications based on the binomial distribution. I am taking example of the numerical problems of the binomial distribution. And let me just see. 3 coins are tossed once. So how many coins are tossed once? 3. So it means n is equal to your 3. Right? 3 coins, n is 3, are tossed. 3 coins are tossed once. Then find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads, at the most 2 heads, and the third part of the question is at least 2 heads. So I will send you these numericals so that you can solve yourself also. So since the coin is tossed, the probability of success getting a head is 1 over 2, and the probability of failure, that is 1 minus p, is again equal to, it is also equal to 1 by 2. Now n, I have already told how many times you are tossing a coin? 3 times. And what is the first part of the question? What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? 2 heads. So R is 2. You know the probability of the binomial distribution is given by NCR, P raised to power R, Q raised to power N minus R. Just put the value of N. N is 3 now and R is 2. 3C2, 1 over 2. रेस्ट पावर आर की जगह पे क्या आ जाना है आपका? आई एम पुटिंग आर इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड द क्यू इज अगेन 1 by 2 and it is n minus r, means 3 minus 1. So it is equal to 3 into 1 over 2 raised to power 2, it is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So answer is 3 by 8. So probability of getting exactly 2 heads is 3 by 8. Next is add the most 2 heads. The next part of the question is add the most 2 heads. Add the most 2 heads means you can have less than or equal to 2 heads. You are not interested in getting more than 2 heads. So if you have to find out less than or equal to 2 heads, it means you want to know probability of no head, 0 head, 1 head, 2 head. So just put the value of R is equal to 0 here put the value of R is equal to 1, here put the value of R is equal to 2. So just no head की probability क्या आएगी? So it is 3C0, 1 over 2 raised to power 0, 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Just put these values in this formula. By taking n as 3, r is equal to 0, you will get this term. The next term you will get, if you will put here 3C r is equal to 1. P raised to power, P की power कितनी आ जाएगी? 1 and 1 over 2 raised to power 2. And similarly for 2 heads. Just add these probabilities. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 1 over 8. इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 3 over 8. थर्ड का आंसर आ जाएगा again 3 over 8 and your answer is 7 by 8. Third part of the question is at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads का मतलब है you can have कम से कम 2 head हो या 2 से ज़्यादा. So probability of x is greater than 2. It means probability of 2 heads plus probability of 3 head. So I have stopped here probability of 3 heads because the coin is tossed only 3 times. So therefore we cannot take probability of 4 head because we are not tossing the coin 4 times. Just again add the probabilities. Your answer is 1 by 2. So I will send the picture of this numerical to you. The next type of numerical is that in a binomial distribution, you are with the 6 independent trials, the probability of 3 and 4 successes is 0.2457 and 0.819. So 3 successes or 4 successes की probability हमें दी हुई है. You are asked to find the P and Q and the of the binomial distribution. So what is given? So सबसे पहले हमने solution में बताना है the probability of the binomial distribution, which is NCR P raised to R Q raised to n minus R. The given thing is probability of 3 successes. What is the probability of 3 successes? 6 n है हमारा, क्योंकि 6 बार टॉस किया. C3 P raised to power 3 Q raised to power 3, and it is given 0.245. It's given. Then you are also given the probability of 4 successes. 6C4 P raised to power 4. Now R is my 4. Q raised to power 4 minus 6 minus 4. So 6n minus R is 4. So 6 minus R 4 is 2. So it is also given. So you are given both the probabilities of 3 successes and 4 successes. Just you divide 4 by 3. This equation is to be divided by this, or you can even divide probability of x is equal to 3 divided by probability of x is equal to 4. So I am dividing probability of x is equal to 4 by probability of x is equal to 3. So after division, ये टर्म इससे डिवाइड हो जाएगी और ये टर्म इससे डिवाइड हो जाएगी, और इसमें से आपने क्या निकालना है? कैंसिल करके p निकाल लेना है. So p will be 4 by 13 and q will be equal to 9 by 13. Just by simplifying. The next thing which is important in the binomial distribution is that you are given to check the consistency of the distribution of binomial. If the mean of the binomial distribution is 20, what is this? This is the mean of the binomial distribution. So mean is given equal to 20, and you are given the standard deviation equal to 7. Standard deviation का क्या formula? NPQ का under root. So you are given mean का हमें पता formula binomial distribution में मैंने property में बताया आपको. It is always equal to NP, and the standard deviation is under root of NPQ 7. Just to find the variance, we will take the square of the standard deviation. So 7 का square हो जाएगा, इसका square हो जाएगा 49 आ गया. So आपके पास NP भी है, NPQ भी है. आपने क्या करना है? वेरिएंस को डिवाइड कर देना है. वेरिएंस को डिवाइड कर दो NP से. NP कैंसिल हो गया, क्या आ गया आपके पास? Q. So your value is, Q की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 2.45. Now please tell me, what is Q? Q is a probability of failure, and probability of failure cannot be greater than 1. मैंने अभी बताया probability 1 से ज़्यादा कभी भी नहीं हो सकती, पर आपका तो Q 2.45 आ गया. So it means that there is some inconsistency in the data. So we can say that there is an inconsistency in the data. So let us take another problem. Mean of the binomial distribution is 20 and the standard deviation of the binomial distribution is 4. So mean is NP again, 20. Standard deviation means under root of NPQ, it is 4. Then every time whenever you have to find out the probabilities, you have to take the square of standard deviation. अगर आप square लोगे standard deviation तक तो क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? Variance, and it is equal to 4 the square, it is equal to 16. So again divide, variance को divide कीजिए mean से, you will get the Q. Q is 4/5, P is 1/5, है ना? तो your mean is equal to NP. हमें पता है, पहले ही पता है हमें कि मीन कितना दिया हुआ है? 20. सो हमें P पता लग गया आपकी. P कितनी आई है हमारी अभी? 1/5. सो 1/5 मैंने पुट की तो आई विल गेट द N. N इज 100. सो जब आपके पास N भी आ जाए और P भी आ जाए, N कितना मेरा? 100 और P कितना मेरा? 1/5. सो N और P आ जाए तो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द बाइनोमियल distribution. Even you can find out the skewness, kurtosis, anything you can find out if you know the two things, that is N and P. The next thing is the fitting of binomial distribution. Whenever you have to fit the binomial distribution, fitting, the next thing which you have to do is numerical can come on fitting of binomial distribution. Whenever the numerical comes on the fitting, I will explain the steps with taking an example. 5 coins are tossed 256 times. How many coins? 5. So small n is 5 and capital N is 256. And you are given heads. Heads कितने आएंगे और साथ में frequency भी दी हुई है. And this frequency is called observed frequency, FO. That is observed frequency which actually happened. So heads are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. कितनी बार किया हमने? 5 बार. तो यहाँ 5 तक की दी हुई है. And the frequency, number of time no head is coming, 9. 1 head कितनी बार आ रहा है? 41 times. 2 head कितनी बार आ रहे हैं? 76 times. So इन जो frequencies को अगर हम लोग add करेंगे, if you will add these frequency, you will get 256 and this is also equal to n. So what is n? N is just the total of the frequency, not the total of x, total of the frequencies. So whenever you have to fit the binomial distribution, first you should know the parameters of binomial distribution. And what are the parameters of binomial distribution? N and P. N तो हमें पता है 5 है, पर हमें P नहीं पता. So in order to find out the P,